Hey guys, so kids are back at school this week and I thought I'd show you just a really nice, simple and easy lunchbox filler, basically, some chocolate Weetbix slice. This recipe this was a bit accidental. I'm not sure where I got the original recipe from, but it was actually meant to be a several layered thing with like this Weetbix chocolatey layer on the bottom and then a layer of custard and then a layer of dark chocolate. And I was attempting to make it for Father's Day for my dad, because my dad's two great loves in his life are not me, not my mum, not my brothers. It's chocolate and custard, so dark chocolate specifically and custard. But anyway, the Weetbix layer came out beautifully and I thought that's nice just on its own. I totally failed the rest of the layers. But hey, you want 1 cup of desiccated coconut, or it can just be like shredded coconut. It doesn't really matter if it's not the really fine stuff. You want 3 Weetbix, or you know, the budget option, the good old value brand wheat biscuits. They're usually the cheapest where I go. Just crush them up. Add in 1 cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Just going to set exits around that lumpy side. I should have sifted the rest of the ingredients, but you know, laziness happened. A pinch of salt. Just want to measure 80 grams of butter and just melt that. Give all the dry ingredients a good mix up. And put in that melted butter. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And you should just be able to feel that, you know. As you do that, it should just stick together quite nicely. So we're just going to grease a 21 square centimetre cake tin there, or loaf tin I should say. I'm preheating the oven at 180 degrees. And we're just going to press that onto the bottom of it. Just get in there with your fingers, you know, we're all friends here. You don't have to tell anyone you fingered it. This is for my kids, honestly, they work here. I just cooked that for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes at 180 degrees. That does it in our oven, but of course it'll vary. So, you know, give it 20 minutes if it needs to be. It's still slightly warm, but I mostly just let it cool down. Actually, I should say, if you haven't got one of these fancy schmancy pans that the side comes away from, I'd probably recommend using baking paper. But there we go, that is what that comes out like. Once this is cooled down, it is not the end of the world if you want to drizzle a bit of chocolate over this, just so you know. Look at that, beautiful, yummy. I'm gonna have a taster. Still just very slightly warm. But that is just nice. It's chocolatey, it's coconutty. You can definitely taste that coconut in there. That is yummy, and it's just nice. It's just a lovely, nice, simple thing to put in the school lunchbox. You know, just store it in the pantry in an airtight container. I'm assuming it freezes okay. I've never gotten that far. A few days and this will be gone, I can guarantee it. Got my husband at home at the moment. It's off on ACC. Fell off a ladder. Long story.
That was really nice.
Pretty good, eh?
Was it?
Hey look, what's that Weetbixy chocolatey stuff? I don't know, I haven't given it a name yet. It's Weetbixy chocolatey stuff.
Very nice cake.
As I say,
That's good.
it's more like a slice. It's a slice. I'd classify it as a slice. Weet-bix chocolate slice, I may name it.
What?
That's the thing that was that thing I tried to make with custard in the middle, and the custard layer didn't come out right.
I don't know, just
And,
like this cross between icing that like they have in the coffee shops and sandwich it. That would look so swanky in the coffee shops.
Swanky, would it? Right. Trust me, these aren't making it to the coffee shop. So, yep. He's stealing another one. Right. I'm going to store these away so the kids can actually have some in their lunchbox. And like, leave me a comment, hit subscribe for some more ideas. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.